Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in the session of 8th Mathematics. The topic is Area Part 5. In this session, we are going to discuss on the area of figures having irregular shape and the practice set 15.5. Friends, in the previous session of this chapter, we have been discussed on the following important subtopics, and those are triangle, area of the scaling triangle, perimeter of a triangle, problems that are based on the practice set 15.4. Today in this session, we are going to discuss with the area of figures having irregular shape. Friends, let us recall few formulas. The first figure you could see here is a rectangle whose perimeter is 2 into bracket a plus b and the area is a into b. Square having side a, perimeter is 4 into a and area is a square. This is a triangle where base and height is given and a, b, c are the sides. At that time, perimeter is a plus b plus c and that of area will be half into base into height. If we consider this to be a scalene triangle having sides a, b, c and no height, at that time its perimeter will be a plus b plus c and area will be s under root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Friends, here s is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Then next is right angle triangle whose sides which are making right angle are b and h. At that time its perimeter will be b plus h plus d. D is the diagonal, hypotenuse and area is half into bh. Friends, equilateral triangle whose side is a. At the time its perimeter is 3a and that of area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Next, one more figure, the same equilateral triangle having side a and height h, that could be half into a into h. Then isosceles triangle. Here the sides making right angle are equal. At that time perimeter is 2a plus d and area is half a square. Parallelogram, the perimeter is 2 into bracket a plus b, opposite sides are congruent and h is the height. At the time area will be a into h. Rhombus having all sides equal and the diagonals d1 and d2. At that time its perimeter is 4a whereas area is half into d1 into d2. Trapezium whose one pair of opposite side is parallel having the length a and b respectively and h is the height. At that time its perimeter is addition of the lengths of all sides and the area is half into bracket sum of parallel sides, that is a plus b, into height, that is h. Friends, area of a figure having irregular shape. Those formulas are very important that we have been discussed previously. To find the area of a irregular shape, the first thing to do is to divide the irregular shape into regular shapes. Whatever the irregular shapes are there, that you have to divide into regular shapes that you can recognize, such as triangle, rectangle, circles, square and so forth. Then find the area of these individual shapes and add them up. For example, find the total area of the figure shown in the alongside. This is the given figure alongside, where you can see the two shapes, square and that of the semicircle. So friends, here the adjoining figure has two regular shapes. It has a square and half of a circle, that is semicircle. Find the area of each of those two shapes and add the result. So here side of a square, that is is 4, and the radius of the circle r is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Now the area of the figure is equal to area of the square plus area of the semicircle. Now we'll put the values. A into A plus pi r square divided by 2. Since semicircle is there, pi r square is the area of the circle divided by 2, which is equal to 4 into 4 into bracket 3.14 into 2 into 2 upon 2. So it will be 4 into 4, that is 16, plus 3.14 into 2. So that will be 16 plus 6.28. So you can write that the area of the figure is equal to 22.28 square units. Such a different figures we are going to consider here. Now let us discuss practice set 15.5. Problem number 1. Find the areas of the adjoining plot. All the measures are given in meters. This is the plot. This is the figure. The figure is divided into different shapes: triangle, trapezium, with different colors. So here you could see 4 different colors are there. Means 4 areas we have to calculate and add them. So let us start. Here in triangle QAP, which is shown with brown color, triangle RCS shown with yellow color, are right angles, these two, and a quadrilateral QACR is a trapezium, blue color. In triangle QAP, AP is 30 and QA is 50 meter. So friends, area of triangle QAP is equal to half into product of the sides that are forming right angles, which is equal to half into AP into QA. Let's substitute the values. Therefore, area of triangle QAP is equal to half into 30 into 50, which will be 30 divided by, that is 15 into 50, 750 square meter. Next, we will consider quadrilateral QACR, where length QA is equal to 50 meter, length RC is equal to 25 meter, and L of AC is equal to, we may get length AB plus length BC, which is 30 plus 30, 60 meter. Now area of this trapezium quadrilateral QACR is equal to half into sum of lengths of the parallel sides into height, which will be equal to half into QA plus RC into AC, which will be putting the values half into 50 plus 25 into 60. So here we will get, therefore area of quadrilateral QACR is equal to half into 75 into 60, which is equal to 75 into 30, that is 2250 square meter. The next is triangle RCS, whose length CS is 60 meter and RC 25 centimeter. Therefore, here area of triangle RCS is equal to half into product of the sides making right angle. Therefore, we can write area of triangle RCS is equal to half into 60 into 25, which will be 30 into 25. That leads to 750 square meter. Now, in triangle PTS, length TB is equal to 30 meter and length PS is equal to length PA plus AB plus BC plus CS, which will be 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60, that is 150. Therefore, area of triangle PTS is equal to half into base into height. So half into a length PS into TB, which is equal to half into 150 into 30, which leads to 75 into 30, that is 2250 square meter. Therefore, friends, area of this plot QP TSR is equal to area of triangle QAP plus quadrilateral area QACR plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PTS, which will be 750 plus 2250 plus 750 plus 2250. So addition of all these gives you the area of plot. Therefore, area of this plot QPSTR is equal to 6000 square meter. So friends, we'll get the area of the given plot will be 6000 square meter. Now let us see problem number 2. Find the area of the adjoining plot. All the measures are in meters only. So this is given plot. Here you could see 3 different colors. The given plot is divided into triangular shape with different colors. Each color of the triangles we have to find out the areas and add up them. So We'll see here in this triangle ABE, angle BA is 90, AB is 24 and B is 30 meter. Therefore, this you can get B square is equal to L of AB square plus L of A square by using Pythagoras theorem. So, put the values 30 square is equal to 24 square plus A square. Therefore, 900 is equal to 576 plus A square. Therefore, you can write A square is equal to 900 minus 576, that leads to 324. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, you are getting L of A is equal to under root 324, which is 18 meter. Now, area of triangle ABE is equal to half into product of the sides forming the right angle, which is half into AE into AB. Therefore, area of triangle AB is equal to half into 18 into 24, which will be equal to 9 into 24. That gives you 216 square meter. Now, consider the next triangle BCE, which is shown with pink color. A is 30 meter, B is 28 meter and C is 26 meter. This is a scalene triangle. Semi-perimeter we have to calculate first. So, semi-perimeter of this triangle BC is equal to S is equal to half into A plus B plus C, which will be 30 plus 28 plus 26 upon 2, which will be 84 upon 2, that is 42 meter. S value is 42 meter. Now, area of this triangle BC is equal to under root S into bracket S minus A into bracket S minus B into bracket S minus C. Now, put the values of this S, A, B and C. So, the equation will become area of triangle this BC is equal to under root 42 into bracket 42 minus 30 to 42 minus 20 into 42 minus 26, which will be 42 into 12 into 14 into 16. So, next we will get area of this triangle AB is equal to under root of 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 4 into 4. These are the factors of 42, 12, 14 and 16. So, it can be getting, that is 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 4 into 2 into 7 into 2, which will be the root sign and square term get cancelled. You will getting 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 7, which will be 336 square meter. Now, the last triangle EDC, which is shown with the blue color, where CE, the base is equal to 28 meter and DF height 16 meter. So, friends, here area of triangle EDC is equal to half into base into height, which is half into CE into DF, which is half into 28 into 16, that is 224 square meter. Area of this plot ABCD is equal to area of triangle AB plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle EDC, which will be 216 plus 336 plus 224, which will be 776 square meter. Therefore, the area of the given plot is 776 square meter. I think you understood these two problems. Now, friends, what we have been discussed today in this session is we have been recall the formulas for calculating the area of different geometrical figures, area of figures having a regular shape, then problems from this practice set 15.5. Friends, can you try these problems? Adjacent figure is a polygon ABCDE. All given measures are in the meter. Find the area of the given figure. Adjacent figure is a polygon ABCDEFG. All given measures are in meters. Find the area of the given figure. This is the figure you have to find out the area. The figure above has 4 regular shapes. It has a triangle, 2 rectangles and a half circle. Find the area of each of those 4 shapes and add the result. The measures are given in the figure. So try, these are very easy problems. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Katrina Asar. To solve maths problems, you need to know the basic mathematics before you can start applying it. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and don't forget to like it. With these words, I would like to say thank you.